Hello, today is August 3rd, 2024. Just making a quick video after the recent stock market correction. Everything's on discount, whether it's NVDA, Carvana, it really doesn't matter. Great time to pick up stocks. If you right now NVIDIA is trading under $104 a share. Excellent place to buy NVIDIA. Carvana is at $136. I picked up 1,500 shares of Carvana on Friday. It might take a week to bounce back in price, but all these companies, you won't find a better time to buy any growth companies than when there's a market correction. Just looking at the list, I think Carvana went all the way down to 101.37 on Friday. It finished at 106.73. Personally, can't go wrong. NVIDIA's probably going to finish at 150 by the end of the year. So, buy NVIDIA now while you got the opportunity. Carvana finished 137.20. Should be trading around $145 by Friday next week. Excellent place to buy Carvana. Just had earnings report this week. Once again, just beat all expectations, and Carvana continues to be the hottest stock in the entire stock market. Can't go wrong there. Coinbase just also took a major hit, fell all the way down to 204.44. That's another great long-term investment, up over 32,000 in Coinbase. It also, just looking, it also had earnings this past week, and it's still doing very well. But crypto market's just it heats up and then has pullbacks just like everything else. And right now Coinbase is at a great discount. Shares of Apple actually went higher on Friday. It's currently sitting at $219.86. It beat earnings expectations, so anytime you find Apple shares below $220, excellent place to buy Apple. Shares of AMD went up over 9% after its earnings report. Earnings on AMD is better than expected. It's not as good as NVIDIA, but you really can't go wrong just picking up any of these tech companies. Shares of Boeing currently trading at $169.95. I was in Boeing early this week. I shorted it right after earnings. Didn't stay long enough. I actually lost a little bit of money. Decided to start shorting Carvana. Right when everything started crashing, thought there's a little bit more volatility there. Overall, it's been a crazy last 2 weeks. I was up 15,000 2 weeks ago, went down 30,000 this week, then went back up 5,000 on Friday. Overall, I'm still up 50,000 day trading in the Webull Challenge. So I'd probably stand to make around 14 grand off my 1,500 shares of Carvana. But yeah, the market as a whole, just with the jobs report and inflation data that came out, just wasn't good. The Fed had a meeting talking about possible rate cuts later in the year, so it may be September or October. I'm personally thinking October, even though a lot of other people are saying maybe September on the news. But anytime there's a correction like this, excellent time to buy in. You can't beat this opportunity. There's just too much money to be made. Also, you can check out my live. I'm on Instagram Live and TikTok Live between 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. Eastern. You can ask any financial aid questions you want. I'll be more than happy to answer. Also, you can check me out on Twitter. I have all my trade signals right there. Just whenever I buy a stock or short a company, you know, I tweet it out. So anyone who follows me can do the same. It's a win-win. Also, check out the Webull referral link in the comments below. You can get a free stock from Webull when you click on it and link it to your bank account. It's a win-win. Last couple stocks I got was ADT and AMC. AMC went all the way to $40. Really, the best thing to do with them, in my opinion, is just sell them and buy NVDA or Carvana or whichever company that you really feel comfortable in and believe in. It's a beautiful day out here in Knoxville. Just had to get outside and make a quick YouTube video. If there's any stocks that you personally like me to do a video on, please leave them in the comments below or message me. Be more than happy to do a video on whichever company. It doesn't matter. Mainly I focus on large tech companies, but I can do a video on whichever stock you care for me, whichever one you'd like me to talk to you about. Also, just looking at the overall market in general, everything's looking great, and this is the best time to invest. So if you want to watch me day trade live, you know, tune in between 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. I'll be day trading a pre-market, teaching technical analysis. We called GameStop before it surged in price, and also Funware before it went parabolic. Funware was around 28 cents and went all the way to $15 a share. GameStop went from $23 to $28. These are easy calls. They both formed a cup handle formation and was an easy setup to make a ton of money. Can't go wrong there. You know, technical analysis is the fastest way to make money day trading. You know, it's something everyone needs to learn. If you have any investments, it doesn't matter if you're trading cryptocurrencies or stocks. It's something you must learn. Also, I go over how to evaluate a stock price from, you know, NVDA, Eli Lilly. Basically, you have to know, you have to understand the company's financials. It's PE, it's forward PE, to cover all of that. Also, the company's EPS, which is earnings per share. All very critical to learn if you want to be a long-term investor in stocks. Basically, a few books I'd recommend: The Intelligent Investor. Jim Cramer is also really good, and Tim Sykes has some good books out there for learning how to day trade correctly. And of course, you can always watch yours truly between 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. You know, that's what that show's about, making money every day, Monday through Friday. And if you want to check out my other accounts, you can get my sports picks. You know, I pretty much pick the best bets and just send out an alert so everyone can win, and just something fun to do on the weekends. Hope everyone has a great weekend. I will see you all on Monday on the TikTok Live or Instagram Live. Just check me out at Josh Delosier. Have a great weekend.